we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
House sparrows strongly prefer to nest near buildings. Bluebirds prefer to nest farther from buildings. House sparrows stay put all year while native songbirds migrate. So, sparrows can get a jump on claiming nest boxes early in the season.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.